Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and you're gonna have to forgive me if it's a little bit darker than normal. I only have one light working, so this is what we're working with. So we're going to do those kind of like clear crystal-y things. I just went ahead and filled in my nail. There was not much to do. I just wanted to get some of that new growth again. There was only a little bit, and I'll show you the star of the show. All right, so I've literally had these forever, and I'm like, I need to do something with them. So I figured I would film a video and use them. I mean, right? So let's come up with something together. I also have these. Let me see if I can, yeah. I also have these guys, which are like little AB guys. They're not flatbacks or anything. All right, go ahead and take whatever glitter you have. I'm going to kind of ombre these, and I think I am going to do a French as well. I haven't quite decided, but I figure this would be a good one to use with the stones. All right, so I'm literally going to grab the smallest amount. Okay. Perfect. I want to scrape some of the larger glitters back. All right, so I'm thinking I want this guy to have it all. All the bling, all the goods. You could go over with a fine glitter first if you don't want it to be as spaced out as this, or if you don't want to use it on top of a finished file nail. That is also an option. All right, so what I like to do is add most of the glitter in the center, essentially where your apex is. So when you go and put your top coat on, it's not going to look bulky. Obviously, I'm doing this over a finished file nail, so you just gotta be a little bit careful. Whoops. Since I have that out, what I'm gonna do is take this little guy and kinda just roll it through so it's on the brush. Kind of just mapping out how far back I want my French to be. Yeah. Come on. So you can see I'm just taking the brush back and forth. Normally, I would use a longer brush, but I don't have one at the moment. I'm gonna take this brush from MANIOLOGY and clean up. because unfortunately Alright, I'm taking my IBD gel because it is a thick type gel, and I'm going to just put it in the middle. I didn't put a ton, but I also did not put a lot. I hope that makes sense. Like, I put a good amount, but not overflowing amount. And I'm gonna start picking. Ooh. God, these are outrageous. Right? Really just loading it up. They don't even need to be the same because I don't care. Come for me because I'm literally adding a million stones. Ooh, you know what? I want to flip this. Can I do it? Okay. Yo, I need to add these everywhere. But I'm going to try to control myself. All right. I think I'm just going to try to add one. Right? Taking a top coat for this disaster of a tutorial, like all the rest of them have been lately. All right, applied some cuticle oil, and this is what we have. I hope you guys liked it. Everything literally is these stones. They are the star of the show. And I'm obsessed. And I mean, they kind of bling out together, no? Okay. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Now go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.